सर्किट के बारे में पढ़ेंगे और मानते हैं कि म्यूचुअल इंडक्शंस बिटवीन टू सर्किट है in terms of the self-induction of the each circuit alone. This is the case of the maximum flux linkage when all the flux through one circuit link the other for the two coils of equal area, equal number of turns should be placed next to each other. Calling the coil first and second, we write the mutual induction of two coils, that is the value of M12 and M21. M12 and, so this is the value of N2, 12 is equal to M12I. This is the value of M12I2. This is the value of I2. This is the define of the M2 mutual inductions of M12 is equal to N2 12 upon I2 and coil first and coil second is the value of N1 5 21 is equal to M21 I1. M21 is equal to N1 5 21 upon I1 के साथ. This is the two flux of this F21 and 12 and self inductions are defined as self induction defined as N2 12 N2. This is the value of N1 phi1 is equal to N1 I1 N1 is equal to N1 phi1 upon I1 and second is N2 phi2 is equal to N2 I2. This is the value of N2 phi2 upon I2. So this is the self induction by primary and secondary coil. Define of all the flux of the coil 1 and 2. Define 1 2 is equal to phi 2, 1 2 upon phi 2, so 1 2 upon phi 2. This is the value of M21 N1 phi 1 I1. This is the comparison of value in the flux 1 2 upon I2. So 1 2 upon I2 upon I2, और this is the flux 21 upon I1. 1 2 upon I2 is equal to 5 21 upon I1. So we can say that is the flux of, we can say that the phi 1 is equal to flux phi. This is the mutual condition. This is the mutual condition and self condition. So phi 1 2 upon I2, phi 21 upon I1, the value phi 1 is equal to phi 2 to be defined as the value of M phi 21 is equal to phi 21 is equal to, this is the value of first is the phi and phi 1 2 upon I2, phi 1 2 upon I2, phi 1 2 upon I2 is equal to, this is the value of phi 2 upon I2. Is the value the cancel, तो phi 1 2 is equal to phi 2 के साथ. Similar case phi 21 upon I1 is equal to phi 1 upon I1 is the value of 21 is equal to phi 1 के साथ. Phi 1 2 is equal to phi 21. तो mutual induction is defined as mutual induction is defined as M21 is equal to M12 is equal to M के साथ, तो this is the value of M12 and 21, N1 I21 upon I1 N2 phi2 upon I2 1 के साथ, factor of the value N1 phi21 is equal to N2 phi21 के साथ, तो we define of the value of product of value in M12 and M21 is the product of the value M21 M12 is equal to M square is the value of N1 N2 phi21 phi12 upon I1 I2. So this is the value of N1 phi1 N1 phi1 N1 N2 phi1 phi2 upon I1 I2. This is the value of N1 N2. This is the value of L1 L2 and M square mutual induction is equal to the value. This is the value of L1 L2. So find the value of root L1 L2. So coupling of the two coils are indication of these mutual inductions defined M12 M21. And second is the self-induction of the L1 and L2 is a comparison between the value of self and mutual. So M12 I2 is equal to phi2 upon I1 is the value of M12 is equal to phi2, M21 is equal to phi1. This is the value of product of these two mutual induction M21 and M12 is equal to M square. So with the value defined, this is the value that is defined. We define of this value of M square is equal to self-induction N1 and N2. So this is the product of the two self-induction square is equal to mutual induction square. That is the right of the value. And other case of the vector, write the combination of the inductor. Combination of inductor. So this is the value of combination of inductor. Combination of inductor. Combination of inductor में कुछ डिफाइन करेंगे. Combination inductor में क्या है कि in inductor is a circuit element such as a tightly wound coil of the wire that produce electromagnetic inductance. It is indicated by the symbol. If an inductor is connected by the series and conductor connected in series, is the value of the final L di upon dt phi is equal to proportional of I phi is equal to L I. Change of the L di phi upon dt L di upon dt. This is the case of the inductance. When the inductance coils are coiled first, second, third, if the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 up to total n coil in series, value defined of these minus k L di upon dt or minus L1 di upon dt minus L2 di upon dt minus L3 di upon dt minus L4 di upon dt. This is the last in the case of Ln di upon dt. But the series combinations are electric current is always constant. So we find that our value of change. So we define in the case of this series combination. To find the total inductance coil is equal to di upon dt minus k di upon dt is the L1 plus L2 plus L3 plus L4 up to Ln is the value that cancel out, so the L is equal to sigma Li and I is equal to 1 के साथ. And second case is the parallel series inductance combination of the parallel. So this is the right, the formula is similar value of in the flow of the electric current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3. So this is the flux of this change. So total current I is equal to I1 plus I2 plus I3 plus I4 plus I5 plus up to IN. This is the value of I1, I2, I3 plus I4 up to IN. Okay, this is the value of self-induction. Potential is always constant. So L di upon dt is equal to d phi upon dt. So minus k L1 di1 upon dt और d phi upon dt minus k L di2 upon dt. So d phi upon dt and L3 di3 upon dt is equal to d phi upon dt. So every time is the value is constant. To find the value of I1, I is equal to minus k phi upon L. I1 is equal to minus k phi upon L1, I2 is equal to minus k phi upon L2, I3 is equal to minus k phi upon L3 up to dot. Total current is the minus k phi upon L is equal to, और ये इसका वैल्यू माइनस के phi upon L1, phi upon L2, phi upon L3 up to dot phi n upon Ln. Total sum of minus k phi 1 upon L1 plus 1 upon L2 plus 1 upon L3 1 upon L4 up to dot 1 upon Ln is the limit of the function of the phi. So sum of the total is 1 upon L is equal to total is equal to sigma 1 upon L I and I is equal to 1 के साथ. The relations are valid for the pure inductor connected by the no mutual inductions, but the circuit are in mix-up in the factor of the total induction as a certain resistance and mutual induction between the inductor cannot be ignored. The problems for the n inductor will be difficult. For the simplicity, we consider the two inductor in series. The voltage drop of the circuit, V is equal to R1I plus L1 di upon dt. In the case of a inclusion of the two self-induction coil and two resistance R1 and R2 and given in the series combination. Combination of mix-up in series two coils and two resistance. In this circuit of the given of the two resistance R1 R1 and 2 coil connected in a series combination. This is the value of R2, L1 and L2. But the effect of these effectation of the mutual induction. The total given the potential of d phi upon dt is the value of R1I in the mutual induction of these d phi upon dt is equal to L di upon dt. So L1 and second is the phi upon dt is equal to L2 di upon dt, right? And second is the d phi upon dt is equal to R2I. In series combination, current is constant. Variation of value of potential difference. Total potential is defined as the d phi upon dt is equal to R1I or minus L1 di upon dt or minus L2 di upon dt और म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन आपका कितना आ गया? इस वैल्यू ऑफ म्यूचुअल इंडक्शन इज L1 plus L2. दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ M di upon dt plus minus valuation of plus minus the value of positive and plus minus M di upon dt 1 2 plus minus M21 di upon dt of plus R2I. This is the combination of a model connected by the circuit. Thus the circuit is equivalent of the value of in the defined as so d phi upon dt is equal to d phi upon dt is equal to R1 plus R2 I के साथ प्लस L1 प्लस L2 और प्लस माइनस के M12 प्लस माइनस के M21. This is the value of di upon dt. 1 से 2 की ओर, 2 से 1 की ओर. तो टोटल डिफाइन ऑफ द वैल्यू ऑफ M12 is equal to M21 के साथ this is the value of M d phi upon dt is equal to R1 plus R2 I और L1 plus L2 plus minus 2L और ये di upon dt. The total sum of the inductance is the L1 plus L2 plus 2 M is equal to 0. Then series combination total resistance are equal to R1 plus R2. L1 plus L2 plus 2M and R is equal to R1 plus R2. In the total induction may be positive coupling. So with the plus minus is the value of plus minus and second value is the define of L1 plus L2 minus 2M is equal to 0. 2M is equal to L1 plus L2. M is equal to L1 plus L2 by 2. Is the mutual inductions of total sum by mean of the two self inductions M is equal to L1 plus L2. The positive coupling where the current travels the loop in the same sense but in the negative sign the opposite sense. In case of these, in the parallel combinations of and second case is the factor of the two resistance in parallel and two inductance coil in parallel. So both are conditions are first in connected by the R1 and resistance of L1 and second resistance is R2 and induction coil of L2 and both are end and flow of the electric current I, and this is the mutual inductance of M. Two coils are mutual inductions. We define the value of in the first and second row. So two ray of this, first is the flow of the current I1 and second is the current I2. So this is the value of first in the row. Total potential is the d phi upon dt is equal to R1 I1 plus L1 d phi upon dt. In first row of the define, so d I upon dt, so value of di upon dt in self-inductance or plus mutual inductance of the plus minus a m 1 to d I2 upon dt. The second row d phi upon dt, तो ये R2 I2 प्लस L2 I1 d I2 upon dt प्लस माइनस के L21 d I1 upon dt. In the first row and second row, negative resistance terms are multiplying by L1, so we are solving the eliminate of the di1 upon di2. So again we get the terms of this. First case of are similar, both the inductance coils are similar in the parallel combinations, or resistance terms are multiplying by equation L2 and equation 16 by M and solving the elimination of di1 upon di2. So value of V d phi upon dt is equal to, तो ये आपका हो गया d phi upon dt equal to d phi upon dt equal to और प्लस ये हो गया L2 प्लस माइनस के m is equal to second value is the L1 L2 minus m square and d I1 upon dt d I1 upon dt और सेकेंड वैल्यू ऑफ डी फाई अपॉन डी टी माइनस के साथ और डी फाई अपॉन डी टी वैल्यू ऑफ L1 प्लस माइनस के एम और ये L1 L2 माइनस के एम स्क्वायर डी I2 अपॉन डी टी L1 L2 minus m square di2 upon dt. In this case are the total sum of the current in I equal to I1 plus I2. So di upon dt equal to di I1 upon dt plus di I2 upon dt plus is the value of di upon dt. तो di upon dt is equal to, और ये वैल्यू आपकी हो गई E L2 प्लस माइनस के m अपॉन, और ये आपका आ गया L1 L2 माइनस m स्क्वायर और प्लस, और ये E L1 प्लस माइनस के m अपॉन L1 L2 माइनस m स्क्वायर। अब इसको आप टोटल सम कर दीजिएगा तो ये वैल्यू आपकी हो जाएगी, ये डी आई अपॉन डी टी इज इक्वल टू ई अपॉन L1 L2 माइनस m स्क्वायर, तो L2 प्लस माइनस के m और प्लस दूसरा वैल्यू हमारे पास है L1 प्लस माइनस के m। ओके, तो दिस इज द वैल्यू ऑफ द सम ऑफ फैक्टर इज द वैल्यू डिफाइंड। तो डी आई अपॉन डी टी upon dt equal to E upon L1 L2 minus m square और ये L1 प्लस L2 प्लस माइनस के 2 है, राइट। तो वैल्यू ऑफ डिफाइन इज द L इज द म्यूचुअल इंडक्शंस ऑफ d phi upon dt। तो conversion of the value in the same lines, so is the E is equal to L1 L2 minus m square upon L1 plus L2 plus minus के 2n और di upon dt और is the factor of the flux d phi upon dt। This is the mutual inductions L is equal to L1 L2 minus m square upon L1 plus L2 plus minus के 2n के साथ। ओके